In this video, I am going to show you how to install HD Streamz on your Firestick. First, ensure that your Firestick is connected to your TV and has an active internet connection. From the home screen, navigate to Settings at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and select My Fire TV or device. Then choose Developer Options. Make sure to enable Apps from Unknown Sources to allow installations from outside the Amazon App Store. Now go back to the home screen and search for the Downloader app. If you don't have it installed, download and install it. The Downloader app will allow you to download files directly to your Fire Stick. Open the Downloader app, and in the URL field, enter the official download link for the HD Streamz APK. You can typically find this link on the official HD Streamz website or trusted forums. Click Go to start downloading the APK file. Once the download is complete, you will see the installation prompt. Click Install to begin the installation process for HD Streamz. After the installation is finished, you can choose to delete the APK file to save space on your device. Finally, return to the home screen and you should find HD Streamz in your apps list. Launch the app and you can start enjoying your favorite channels and content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.